This is Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith works as a CBS consulting engineer, and right now he is absorbed in his work. For his current building services project, he is specifying different pumps and pump systems by Xylem for the very first time. Xylem offers Mr. Smith the unique opportunity for his work to do something good in the world. In this world, there are still too many people who do not have access to clean water. This has to change, and Xylem allows Mr. Smith to help, employing his own strength on site. But let us start at the beginning. Xylem employees are actively engaged in the Watermark program, helping developing countries to establish a sustainable supply of clean water. To that end, Watermark is closely working together with professional non-profit partners. Besides the Watermark program, there is Waterdrop. This is where Xylem's partners and therefore Mr. Smith come in. For Waterdrop, Mr. Smith and all other participants collect so-called water drops. Xylem exchanges these for practical campaigns for water installations in a developing country in order to give its inhabitants constant access to clean water. The more water drops Mr. Smith and his colleagues collect, the more water towers will be built. And how exactly are these water drops collected? It is simple. Mr. Smith registers with Xylem Waterdrop. From now on, he will collect water drops every time he attends a seminar by Xylem, whether it is online or directly on site. Using the selection software is also a way of collecting water drops, as is contracting out Xylem products. So Waterdrop builds the bridge between Xylem's commercial activities and the Watermark program. Mr. Smith is unbelievably happy about every single water drop. His work can now do some good in the world. It would be the greatest thing for him to be one of the participants that Xylem chooses to go to the developing country to help in person. And bingo! Until the end of the current term, Mr. Smith has collected so many water drops that his chances of winning have increased significantly. He actually made it into the team. Together with the non-profit partners, the group is building a water tower, sustainable water supply for the entire community. Mr. Smith is overwhelmed by all the impressions and images. He will be telling his friends about this unique experience for many years to come. That much is certain.